This is a used 2009 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, six-cylinder engine. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. 20th Century Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1090 Ford Way, Blackfoot, Idaho 83222.